Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So happy new year to every one of you. I hope you had the happiest holidays ever. So today's video is a Kim Kardashian makeup tutorial. This was one of my favorite looks that she wore last year in 2017, and I thought I would recreate it this year in 2018 because it's one of my favorites. Hope you guys really enjoy it, and please stay tuned to see how I got this makeup look. Okay, so firstly I'm going in with my Kryolan Highlight and Contour Circle. I'm going to use a concealer from this circle, which is this color right here. And as you guys can see, it's almost out. I'm almost done with this concealer, but what I like to do is I just like to go in first, just underneath my foundation, and just pat this just around my mouth area. That is the more pigmented side on my face. Gonna add this little bit of concealer to those pigmented areas on my face. So I've already primed and I used my Smashbox photo finish primer, and I love this so much. And yeah, just gonna apply this to the areas where I have large pores on my face and then go in with my foundation. Next, going in with my Elegant Pro Coverage. This is the high definition illuminating foundation, and I'm using the color Tan, and I'm going to apply this all over my face and neck. Next, I'm going into my bronzer palette. I know for this look Kim went very bronze and very natural, but also very she had a very bronzed look. So I'm going to go in with these two colors to bronze up the outer skirts of my face, and then going to contour my cheekbones. Going to use a soft brush just to allow the bronzing process to look more natural and not too harsh. So I'm tapping the light brown and then the dark brown together. Next, using this oval brush, a smaller one, and I'm going to contour using the same two brown shades, going into the light and then going into the dark. Going to blend it out using my beauty blender. Next, using my Elegant Pro Concealer, and you guys, I'm out of it. I'm just using the last bit that I have. I'm going to highlight just under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, cupid's bow, and my chin. Using my Avon light medium powder, I'm going to set the areas where I have highlighted and also some of the foundation. Using the excess powder, the bronzy powder that I have on this brush, I'm just going over the contoured areas and also some of the outer skirts of my face, just to allow the face to look bronze once again, just in case I covered anything up. Now you guys, I'm so excited for my eyes just because I have something in my hands that I'm so excited to open. Well, I did open it before to see the colors and all of that, but I just want to show you guys what my dearest boyfriend got me for my birthday. And ooh, there it is. This is my very first Swiitch Beauty product, and this is the Slays for Days palette. I know I'm like so late with this, but this is something that I wanted for the longest time, and he's so sweet and he got it for me. So I love the packaging. Can you guys see how beautiful this packaging is? Rose gold, how cute. So anyway, most of you probably already have this palette by now. I'm just always late for everything. So I'm going to be using this on my eyes today. It's still in the bubble wrap, you guys. So this is the packaging. This is actual palette. Okay, I can't believe I'm holding this, but look at how beautiful this palette is. This is honestly, I didn't swatch it, I didn't touch it, I did not do a thing to this palette. So this is my first kind of, it's also kind of like an impressions video so on this palette. So we get to see it together if this is also your first time. So I'm really excited to use this in this look, and let's just jump straight into the video. So I think I'm going to go into this light brown shade, and I'm going to use a big blending brush, and I'm going to use a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply this into the crease. Okay, so the color payoff is actually really good. I've blended the first color on my other eye, and I actually really like how it blends together. I didn't even like really blend that much, so the product quality is really good. Just using a big blending brush and applying this color throughout the eyelid. Going to apply a little bit of concealer onto the eyelid just so that the inner corner and the middle of the eyelid is pigmented. Just applying this with my finger. With a flat brush, I'm going to pick up this light brown shade. This is almost like a biscuit color. I'm just going to pack this onto the eyelid. You guys, I cannot even tell you how pretty this color is, and it blends so beautifully. Okay, so I'm going in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out the work that I've just done. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the top eyelid to the bottom lash line. And I'm going to apply this just to the bottom lash line. In with this matte shade, and this is a light color. I'm going to apply this just from the inner corner. For brows, I'm using this dark brown shade, and I'm going to carve it out. Next, going in with some concealer, and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. Going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone. To contour my nose, I'm going to use this brown shade. I'm just going to test it out. I'm not really sure how it's going to look or pay off, but I really want to see how this color blends in with my nose. Okay, I'm going to blend this out with my blending brush. Next, for winged eyeliner, I'm going in with my Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. This is the Essence I Love Extreme Lashes Mascara, and I'm going to apply this to my top lashes and bottom lashes. So I've already applied lashes, and I've applied the Kiss Beauty lashes. This is the Flirt lashes, and it is from Fuji. I do believe that they have ended this particular lash style, but I will check up for you guys because that's what I heard in this week. And they do make a lot of pretty lashes, so I am a fan of this particular brand. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use my blush, and this is the MAC Fuji, and it is a satin blush. For highlighter, I'm using my LA Girl strobing highlighter. This is the 50-watt highlighter, and you guys, it's so beautiful on the skin. So I'm just going to apply this to the high points of my cheekbones and also the bridge of my nose. The reason why it's so popping right now is because I did wet my brush, and that makes the world of a difference. I'm going to apply it on my collarbone, Okay, next, using my lip liner. This is the color Natural Cream by LA Girl Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips. I'm going over that with the color Berry There by Essence Cosmetics. This is the satin lipsticks, and it's very creamy on the lips, but I just want the color to be a little bit more darker than the nude color that is on my lips at the moment. So I'm going in just a little bit with this color. Last but not least is the faux lip ring, and I'm using a gold pigment and a thin liner brush. Let me just come forward so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip this brush in the pigment, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of my bottom lip. You guys, so I think my lips is a bit too creamy, is a bit too much on the satin side. Just going in with this color right here, and I'm going to powder this color onto my as you guys can see, it makes the world of a difference. Can you guys see the color here, how nude it is and how pretty this color looks on this side? It's also very matte here, so that's the look I'm going for. You guys, makeup is fun, so there's so many different things you can do with one particular makeup tool, like a palette. You can have an eyeshadow, you can have a lipstick color. It all just depends on how creative you want to be. And I absolutely love the color. You guys, I made my own lipstick with this palette, so yeah. Watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below and tell me what your thoughts on this video is, what you want to see in my next videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.